Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best deep fryer stainless steel removable basket currently available on the market. The 68 ounces 304 stainless steel deep fryer pot with basket and strainer. Whether you're deep frying chicken, saving bacon grease, or filtering used cooking oil for reuse, this product promises to be a game changer in your kitchen, and we're going to show you why. Let's start with the design and material. The entire fryer is made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, which is known for its durability, resistance to rust, and overall food-grade safety. Its silver metallic finish gives it a clean, professional appearance, and it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is always hassle-free. With a 2-liter or 68 ounces capacity, this pot is surprisingly spacious without being bulky. It measures approximately 5.91 inches in diameter, 5.04 inches wide, and 6.1 inches high, a compact footprint that fits nicely in any kitchen or even when you're out camping. Now, what really makes this deep fryer pot stand out is its built-in multi-layer filtration system. It includes a fine mesh filter that captures even tiny food particles, ensuring that your oil stays clean and reusable. This isn't just a pot, it's a complete oil management system. The mesh filter also features a handle, making it easy to remove and clean. So every time you fry, you're not just cooking, you're refining your oil for next time. The removable basket is another highlight. Whether you're making crispy fries, tempura, or golden brown chicken, the deep fryer basket gives you full control. You can lower and lift the food without splashing oil, and the basket fits securely into the pot, letting excess oil drain back in. The basket and the strainer are thoughtfully designed to enhance safety and ease of use. Pouring used oil or hot liquids is often messy with traditional pots, but this one has an ergonomic handle and a specially designed pouring spout. The spout directs oil smoothly without dripping, making it ideal for transferring oil back into bottles or containers without creating a mess. The handle is heat-resistant and fits comfortably in your hand, giving you confidence and stability even when the pot is full. Let's talk functionality. This pot is compatible with all types of hobs, gas stoves, induction cooktops, you name it. That means it's not just for frying. You can use it as a general-purpose cooking pot, a grease saver, or even a portable cooker when camping. You can also store used oil right in the pot thanks to its lid and compact structure, reducing waste and saving you money. What really seals the deal is the multifunctionality. You're getting 3 products in one: a fryer, an oil filter, and a storage container. Instead of dealing with multiple tools, you have everything in a single streamlined device. It simplifies your cooking workflow and eliminates the need for extra strainers, pots, and storage jars. This product is made by GADO, a brand that focuses on durable, no-nonsense kitchen solutions. At its current price point, it offers fantastic value compared to other more expensive oil containers or deep fryers with fewer features. If you're someone who loves to cook but hates the mess and waste that can come with frying, the 68 ounces 304 stainless steel deep fryer pot is a kitchen upgrade worth considering. From filtration to frying, from stovetop to storage, it covers all the bases. So, if you're looking to bring professional-grade frying efficiency to your home kitchen or even your next camping trip, this pot could be exactly what you need. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product breakdowns. See you in the next one.